Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious medium Rava Upma. This classic South Indian breakfast is simple to prepare and incredibly satisfying. To begin, ensure you have all your ingredients measured and ready. You will need 1 cup of medium Rava, 1 medium onion, 2 green chilies, and 1 teaspoon of grated ginger. Also, have 2.5 to 3 cups of water, salt, and essential tempering spices on hand. The first crucial step is roasting your Rava. Dry roast 1 cup of medium Rava in a pan for about 5 minutes over low to medium heat until it becomes aromatic and slightly golden. Next, we create the flavorful tempering. Heat 1 tablespoon of oil or ghee, then add half a teaspoon of mustard seeds and let them splutter. Follow with half a teaspoon each of urad dal and chana dal, frying until they turn a light golden brown. Finally, sauté your chopped onions, green chilies, and ginger until the onions are translucent. Now it's time to bring everything together. Carefully add 2.5 to 3 cups of water and salt to your tempered mixture, then bring it to a rolling boil. Once boiling, reduce the heat to low. Slowly sprinkle in the roasted Rava with one hand, while continuously stirring with the other to prevent any lumps from forming. Cover the pan and let it cook gently for 2 to 5 minutes, allowing the Rava to absorb all the water and become fluffy. Once cooked, gently fluff the upma with a fork to ensure a light and airy texture. For an extra touch of richness and aroma, you can stir in 1 teaspoon of ghee. Garnish your freshly made upma with finely chopped fresh coriander leaves and a squeeze of bright lemon juice. Serve this warm and fluffy upma immediately, perhaps alongside your favorite coconut chutney or a flavorful sambar, for a truly satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.